Have you heard about WhatsApp's latest campaign called Stay Safe with WhatsApp? If you're a regular WhatsApp user, this campaign is definitely worth checking out. The campaign will run for 3 months and aims to promote online safety and educate users on how to use WhatsApp's built-in safety tools and features to protect against scams, fake news, and other online threats. With the increasing amount of time we spend online, it's more important than ever to take control of our online safety. So let's dive into the campaign and learn how to safeguard ourselves while enjoying the messaging experience. First up is two-step verification feature. WhatsApp offers an extra layer of security called two-step verification. By enabling this feature, you can add a 6-digit PIN that will be required when resetting or verifying your account. This comes in handy in case your phone is stolen or compromised. Second highlighted feature is block and report. Have you ever received a message from an unknown number on WhatsApp that seemed suspicious or included links asking for personal information? If yes, then you'll be glad to know that WhatsApp has a simple solution for this. You can easily block and report the account to WhatsApp. And once you do that, the contact or number won't be able to call or message you anymore. Third on the list is user safety. With WhatsApp's privacy settings, you can choose who gets to see your profile photo, last seen, online status, about, and status. You have the option to choose from everyone, contacts only, select contacts, or no one. And if you want to keep your online presence private, you can also select who can and can't see when you are online. Last but not the least highlighted feature is safe messaging experience. With WhatsApp's privacy settings and group invite system, you can now decide who can add you to groups, increasing your privacy and preventing people from adding you to groups you don't want to be a part of. And if you accidentally find yourself in a group chat that's not for you, no worries. You can exit the group privately without having to notify everyone. So don't wait any longer. Take advantage of WhatsApp's Stay Safe with WhatsApp campaign and enable these life-saving safety features. By following WhatsApp's safety principles, you can take control of your online safety and enjoy a safer messaging experience. Remember, protecting yourself from online scams and fraud is essential in today's digital-first world. Stay safe and enjoy your time on WhatsApp.